What?
The shower curtain.
Yeah.
Take it down and put it in the wash.
This is a test of the emergency alert system capability. This test message has been initiated. Wireless participants in your area. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you've just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news or instructions.
Put it in the washer. Why? Open the door for me? Because it stinks. It's got like mold on it. I'm gonna throw it in the washer and wash it. Get up and, oh, Fry.
Yeah.
Can you grab me the Odo can?
Yeah.
Put on the hearth.
Okay.
Nice. On it.
That's a good thing to have.
I'm gonna need that too, I think. Right?
Hey, Mary? Mary? You might want to look on that Odoban label and see if it's okay to use with bleach. Because I don't know, I mean, there are things if you mix with bleach, there's reactions.
Downstairs smells bad. Downstairs smells bad. Why? Okay. Here we are. I couldn't see anything that said specifically bleach, so I just held my breath, threw it in there, and shut it.
Would you put in like a cup worth?
Yeah, at least.
Yeah. That ought to do
Oh,
it.
bleach? I put a fuck ton of bleach.
Alright.
Then I put about a cup of Odoban. So, oh, it didn't smell good. So I don't know,
I don't know, with that fabric, if you even need the Odoban, the bleach will take care of any odors. But yeah, it'll work.
I threw it in there too.
Yeah.
I
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay. So that's in there. I don't want to forget that because when we take the shower, it's going to
Right.
go to the floor, but it's downstairs.
Well, he just took a shower. So.
Oh, alright. Alright. Hello, Mr. Conti. Did you get this to work? Is it recording on here?
Hey, Mary.
Yes?
You try to smell anything bad in that bathroom right now and you can't.
Are you fucking
Go
shitting
in
me?
there. You can't smell a thing. I swear to God, you can't
This is a
smell
test of
thing
the
in there now.
emergency alert system capability.
That's it.
This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants including broadcast, cable, satellite and wireless participants in your area. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you've just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news or instructions.
Door and throw it down there. Wow. Wow.